Pigs Make Me Sneeze. An Elephant and Piggie Book by Mo Willems. Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I wanna... Yes? A what? A ball? A swim? A hat? Achoo! Are you okay? I don't know. Achoo! I cannot stop Achoo! Sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald? No, do not speak. It's too late. Choo. Goodbye. Gerald? Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Huh. I don't think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You're sick. I'm sick! Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy! Piggy! Great news! I have a cold! Good for you. Pigs Make Me Sneeze, an Elephant and Piggie Book by Mo Willems.